The future of transportation is being rewritten in a way that once belonged only to science fiction. Deep within Japan's cutting-edge laboratories and test tracks, engineers have been working on a system that challenges everything we thought we knew about speed, motion, and travel itself. This system is known as the SCMaglev, a train that doesn't just move fast, it floats, it glides, and it redefines the very concept of rail travel. For decades, trains have relied on wheels rolling over steel tracks. This method, although efficient, comes with limitations, friction, wear and tear, noise, and a ceiling on speed. But the SCMaglev breaks free from all of that. Instead of rolling, it levitates. Instead of friction, it uses magnetic force. And instead of gradual acceleration, it surges forward with astonishing smoothness. The story of this technology begins with a simple yet powerful idea: what if a train could float above the track? Scientists discovered that by using superconducting magnets, they could create a force strong enough to lift an entire train off the ground. These magnets, when cooled to extremely low temperatures, produce no electrical resistance, allowing them to generate incredibly powerful magnetic fields. As the SCMaglev begins its journey, something extraordinary happens. At lower speeds, the train uses rubber wheels to move along the guideway. But as it accelerates past a certain threshold, around 150 kilometers per hour, the magnetic forces become strong enough to lift it into the air. In that moment, the wheels retract, and the train begins to float. This transition is almost magical. There is no jolt, no sudden shift, just a seamless glide into levitation. From that point on, the train no longer touches the track. It hovers a few centimeters above it, guided and propelled by electromagnetic forces that are precisely controlled by advanced systems. Acceleration becomes incredibly smooth. Passengers feel a gentle push into their seats as the train rapidly gains speed. Within minutes, it reaches velocities that surpass most conventional trains. And then it goes even further. During testing, the SCMaglev has reached speeds of over 600 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest ground transportation systems ever created. At such speeds, the landscape outside transforms into a blur. Cities, mountains, and rivers pass by in seconds. Distances that once required hours of travel can now be covered in a fraction of the time. The concept of distance itself begins to change, bringing people and places closer together than ever before. Inside the train, however, the experience is calm, quiet, and controlled. The interior is designed with a focus on comfort and modern aesthetics. Large windows allow passengers to take in the view, while spacious seating ensures a relaxed journey. The absence of wheel-on-track friction means less vibration and noise, creating an environment that feels more like an aircraft cabin than a traditional train. The technology behind this system is both complex and fascinating. Superconducting magnets are at the heart of the SCMaglev. These magnets are cooled to extremely low temperatures using liquid helium, allowing them to carry electrical current without any resistance. This enables the creation of powerful magnetic fields that interact with coils embedded in the guideway. As the train moves, these magnetic interactions generate both lift and propulsion. The train is pulled forward by a series of changing magnetic fields, effectively dragging it along the track without any physical contact. At the same time, other magnetic forces keep it centered and stable, preventing it from drifting or losing balance. This level of precision requires advanced control systems that monitor every aspect of the train's operation in real time. Sensors continuously track speed, position, temperature, and magnetic strength. If any irregularity is detected, the system can make instant adjustments to ensure a safe and smooth journey. Safety is one of the most critical aspects of the SCMaglev design. At first glance, the idea of a train traveling at over 600 kilometers per hour might seem risky. However, the technology has been engineered with multiple layers of safety mechanisms. In the unlikely event of a system failure, the train can safely descend back onto its wheels and come to a controlled stop. Japan's commitment to safety is evident in every detail of this project. The country already has one of the safest rail systems in the world, and the SCMaglev builds upon that legacy. Extensive testing, rigorous standards, and continuous innovation ensure that passenger safety remains the top priority. One of the most ambitious applications of this technology is the Chuo Shinkansen line, a project that aims to connect Tokyo and Osaka. This route is one of the busiest travel corridors in Japan, and the introduction of SCMaglev technology will dramatically reduce travel time between these two major cities. Currently, the journey between Tokyo and Osaka takes around 2.5 hours by traditional high-speed train. With the SCMaglev, this time could be reduced to just about 1 hour. This transformation will not only benefit commuters but also have a significant impact on business, tourism, and economic growth. Imagine being able to attend a meeting in Osaka and return to Tokyo within the same morning. Imagine living in one city and working in another without the burden of long commutes. The SCMaglev has the potential to reshape lifestyles and redefine what it means to travel. However, building such a system is not without challenges. The infrastructure required for SCMaglev is highly specialized and expensive. Unlike conventional railways, it requires dedicated guideways, advanced cooling systems, and precise engineering. Tunnels, bridges, and tracks must be designed to accommodate the unique requirements of magnetic levitation. Despite these challenges, Japan continues to invest in this technology, driven by a vision of the future. The country sees SCMaglev not just as a transportation system, but as a symbol of innovation and progress. It represents a commitment to pushing boundaries and exploring new possibilities. Environmental sustainability is another key consideration. As the world faces the growing threat of climate change, there is an increasing need for cleaner and more efficient transportation solutions. The SCMaglev offers a promising alternative to air travel for medium-distance routes. By reducing travel time and energy consumption, it can help decrease carbon emissions and reliance on fossil fuels. The use of electricity as a primary energy source also opens the door for integration with renewable energy systems, further enhancing its environmental benefits. As research and development continue, the potential applications of SCMaglev technology extend far beyond Japan. Countries around the world are closely watching its progress, considering how similar systems could be implemented in their own regions. The idea of connecting major cities with ultra-high-speed trains is becoming increasingly attractive. It offers a solution to congestion, reduces the need for short-haul flights, and provides a more sustainable mode of transportation. In this sense, the SCMaglev is not just a national project, it is a glimpse into the future of global travel. And yet, despite all its technological advancements, the true impact of the SCMaglev lies in its ability to change how we think about distance and time. It challenges the limitations of traditional travel and opens up new possibilities for human connection. As the train glides effortlessly along its path, it carries with it more than just passengers. It carries the hopes of a future where travel is faster, cleaner, and more efficient. A future where innovation continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. The journey of the SCMaglev is far from over. In fact, it is just beginning. With each test run, each new development, and each milestone achieved, it moves closer to becoming a fully integrated part of everyday life. And when that day comes, the world will look back and realize that the future of transportation didn't arrive overnight. It was built step by step, guided by vision, powered by science, and driven by the relentless pursuit of progress. As the world steps deeper into the age of advanced technology, the SCMaglev is no longer seen as just a high-speed train. It becomes a foundation for something far greater. What began as an ambitious engineering project slowly evolves into a global symbol of next-generation transportation, influencing how nations design their cities, economies, and connections. By the time we approach the 2040s and beyond, the SCMaglev system is expected to undergo significant transformation. Engineers and scientists are already exploring ways to push its limits even further. New materials, more efficient superconductors, and advanced AI-driven control systems could allow the train to operate at even higher speeds with greater energy efficiency. Imagine a version of the SCMaglev that doesn't just travel at 600 km per hour, but approaches speeds closer to 700 or even 800 km per hour. At that point, the line between rail and air travel begins to blur. Journeys that once required boarding a plane, waiting at airports, and going through long security procedures could be replaced by a seamless station-to-station experience. In this future, train stations themselves begin to transform. They are no longer just platforms for boarding, they become intelligent hubs powered by automation and artificial intelligence. Passengers move through biometric checkpoints, eliminating the need for tickets or long queues. Real-time systems guide travelers to their seats, manage luggage, and ensure a smooth and efficient flow of people. Inside the train, the passenger experience reaches an entirely new level. Seats may adapt to individual preferences, adjusting shape, temperature, and support automatically. Windows could transform into augmented reality displays, providing real-time information about the landscape, weather, and destinations. For those who wish to relax, the environment can shift into a calm, immersive space, reducing stress and enhancing comfort. Connectivity also becomes seamless. High-speed internet, virtual meeting environments, and interactive entertainment systems turn travel time into productive or enjoyable experiences. A passenger could attend a global business meeting, watch a live event, or explore a virtual world, all while moving at hundreds of kilometers per hour. But the future of SCMaglev is not limited to passenger travel. Freight transportation also undergoes a revolution. High-speed cargo trains powered by magnetic levitation could deliver goods across regions in record time. Supply chains become faster, more reliable, and more efficient, benefiting industries and economies worldwide. As countries observe Japan's success, many begin to adopt similar systems. International collaborations emerge, leading to the development of interconnected maglev networks. In some regions, these networks may even cross borders, linking cities across countries with unprecedented speed. This vision of a connected world raises an important question: how far can this technology go? Some experts believe that SCMaglev could serve as a stepping stone toward even more advanced systems, such as vacuum-based transport. Concepts like the Hyperloop aim to reduce air resistance by operating in near-vacuum tubes, potentially allowing speeds exceeding 1,000 km per hour. While Hyperloop is still in its experimental stages, the principles behind SCMaglev provide valuable insights into how such systems could be developed. Magnetic levitation, precise control systems, and high-speed stability are all critical components that can be refined and adapted for future innovations. However, even as new technologies emerge, SCMaglev continues to hold its place as a practical and proven solution. Unlike purely experimental concepts, it has already demonstrated its capabilities through extensive testing and real-world development. This balance between innovation and reliability makes it a key player in the future of transportation. Looking further ahead, into the 2060s and beyond, the possibilities become even more extraordinary. Advances in materials science could lead to superconductors that operate at higher temperatures, reducing the need for complex cooling systems. This would make the technology more accessible and cost-effective, enabling wider adoption across the globe. Energy systems also evolve. With the rise of renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and fusion power, SCMaglev networks could operate with minimal environmental impact. Entire transportation systems may become carbon neutral, contributing to global efforts to combat climate change. Urban planning begins to adapt to this new reality. Cities are designed with high-speed connectivity in mind, allowing people to live farther from their workplaces without sacrificing time. This reduces overcrowding in major urban centers and creates new opportunities for development in surrounding regions. At the same time, the psychological impact of such rapid travel cannot be ignored. When distances shrink and travel becomes effortless, the way people perceive space and time changes. Cultural exchange increases, global collaboration becomes easier, and the world feels smaller and more connected. Yet, challenges remain. The cost of building and maintaining SCMaglev infrastructure is still significant. Governments and private organizations must carefully balance investment with long-term benefits. Public acceptance, environmental considerations, and technological reliability all play a role in shaping the future of this system. Despite these challenges, one thing is clear: the journey that began with a floating train has grown into something much larger. It is no longer just about speed, it is about redefining the boundaries of human movement and connection. As the SCMaglev continues to evolve, it inspires a new generation of engineers, scientists, and visionaries. It shows that with determination, creativity, and innovation, even the most ambitious ideas can become reality. In the end, the story of the SCMaglev is not just about a train. It is about the future we are building, a future where technology brings people closer together, where travel is no longer a limitation, and where the impossible becomes possible. And as the train glides silently into the horizon, disappearing into the distance at unimaginable speed, it leaves behind a powerful message: the future is not something we wait for, it is something we create.